Hello guys, good morning, and I welcome you again to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn what are prepared statement in Java JDBC. So let's get started with the topics. What are prepared statements? What are prepared is how to create them, how to set the parameter values, and how to execute the prepared statement. And it has also means how to reuse the prepared statement. So we will learn this in our in this video. So what are prepared statement? Prepared statement is a pre-compiled SQL statement, and it provides many benefits. Like it is easy by using this, we can easily set the SQL parameter values, and it helps in prevention of SQL dependency injection attacks, or it also helps in application performance as the SQL statement is already pre-compiled. So now in our earlier videos we have seen that we have hard coded our SQL values. So instead of hard coded, we will use parameter placeholders, and for parameter placeholder we will use question mark. Okay. In so the earlier in our earlier videos we have used select staff from employees where salary is greater than 80,000 and the department is legal. So instead of hard coding this, I am just using the placeholder here. So let's move to the Eclipse. I have created a prepared statement demo class with the main method, and in my try block I have just created a connection to the database, and then I have prepared statement. My statement equal to mycon dot prepared statement select star from employees where salary is greater than question mark and the department is question mark. Now I will set the parameter values based on the data type. I'm just writing down the parameter values. So here for the first parameter I'm just setting the values at double and the value is 80,000, and the second one is set string because it is having the string data type. So I'm just setting this value as set string, and the department is legal. Now I will execute the query. My rs go to my execute query and display the result set. Okay, so I'm just clicking on the and running this application now. Just clicking. Yeah, here we go. We just have only set the values. The salary department, salary is 80,000, the legal is a department. So just having the value select star from employee, having salary 80,000 greater than 80,000 and the department is legal. So we just get these three persons and employees. Okay, in this way actually prepared statement also provide reusability of the prepared statement. So I'm just again write down another snippet here, and here we go. Just copy down. Save. Now I have put a print statement here. Reuse a prepared statement where salary is greater than 25,000 and HR is a department. So now setting the parameter values means I'm just write down the prepared statement once, and now setting different parameters here. I'm just setting the parameters settable salary is 25,000 and the department is HR. Now executing this query, I will check. Here we go. Now what we see, we have reused the prepared statement here and getting the employees who having salary greater than 25,000 and the department is HR. So in this way we have just reused the prepared statement in our program. Similarly, we can use prepared statement for insert, update and delete. So this is the basic concept how to create prepared statement in Java and how to use this in JDBC. So that's for now. Thank you.